Good morning, students. How are you? Myself, Sadhana Gupta from the Great India School, working as a biology teacher. So, children, I think you got the golden opportunity to study sincerely, study one by one topic nicely, thoroughly. You can revise and learn the difficult terminologies. So, without wasting time, I'll start with the first unit, that is the reproduction. Okay, so first tell me, what is reproduction? Reproduction is nothing but a formation of the new body with the help of pre-existing one. Okay, so before understand the different modes of reproduction, we must know what is lifespan. So you are able to see, lifespan is nothing but a period of the birth to a natural death of an organism is called lifespan. Lifespan is nothing but the period from the birth till the death. So no individual is immortal. Immortal means कोई भी अमर नहीं है, except unicellular organism, because as we studied in a class 10th, unicellular organism generally develops with the help of fission process. Binary fission, multiple fission means when the parental body attain the maturity, they divide themselves into two. So they lost their originality and they develop into a new one, but genetic material will be the similar. They are the photocopies of their parental body. So only in such organism we can say that they continue with the progeny through copying down each other. Progenies are the photocopy of their parents. Okay, so now first just now we studied lifespan. What is lifespan? Lifespan is nothing but a period from the birth till the death. So different animals which are present around us, they have the different lifespan. For example, here on a screen you are able to see elephants is having the lifespan, means the period from the birth till the death is 60 to 70 years. Rose plants have the lifespan 100 years. Dogs have the 15 years approximate. Plants generally 2 to 4 years depending on their breeds or the qualities or the species. Cows 20 to 25 years. Banyan tree for 400 years. Horses 30 years. Reptiles and the turtles, alligators as well as crocodiles, they have the 100 to 150 and 60 years respectively. Some honeybees or the insects have 30 days, butterfly 1 to 2 weeks, sparrows 5 years and parrots 140 years. So the continuity of a life on a earth is achieved by the process of reproduction. So basically, once again a revision, reproduction is nothing but a biological process in which an organism give rise to a young ones or its offspring. Offspring means जो छोटा नया बच्चा जन्म लेता है. Reproduction enables the continuity of species generation after generation, means reproduction is very necessary to these species make their continuity perfectly, or their species should continue for the next generation. Now basically there are the two types of reproduction: asexual mode of reproduction and a sexual mode of reproduction. Now what are the asexual mode of reproduction and what is sexual mode of reproduction? Firstly, asexual reproduction is nothing but a reproduction or the biological process in which a single parent, without formation of a gametes or without fusion of a gametes, they develop the new one, or they give rise to a young daughter nuclei or new daughter body or clones or the young one or a progeny. But in a sexual reproduction, when two different parents form their gametes are fused to produce the new body. So here two bodies are needed in a sexual reproduction. In a asexual reproduction, only single body is able to form the new individual. Okay, now we will study one by one. more detail. First, asexual reproduction. The offspring developed by asexual reproduction are exact copies of their parent. They are genetically identical. Genetically means they are truly photocopy, and they, whatever the genetic material, chromosomes, genes they have, they are totally similar to their parents. Sometimes they are also called as a clones. Asexual reproduction is a common in a unicellular organism. For example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, plasmodium, bacteria. Okay. In plants and in animals having simple organization, the animals or plants who are having simple body structure, they also reproduce by asexual mode of reproduction. Now, there are various modes of asexual reproduction: binary fission, fragmentation, spore formation, vegetative propagation. We will study in more detail in the next video. Thank you very much. Keep studying and recall it nicely. Thank you very much.